What's the fastest way to become a supermodel in 2025? I have 100 days to figure it out, and I am taking you with me. If you're new here, my name is Sade, and I'm a sign model who is ready to take my career to the next level. Over the next 100 days, I will be working to secure agency representation in major markets like London, Paris, Milan, and even here in the US, like Miami or Chicago. Along the way, I will be building a stronger portfolio, improving my skills, and expanding my network just so that I can make this dream a reality. Now, let's get into how I plan to do this. Goal number 1, get signed in new markets. One of my biggest goals is to get signed in major markets like London, Paris, or Milan, but I'm also open to cities in the US like Chicago or even Miami, and I'm looking for another placement in New York. Expanding my agency representation means more opportunities and more visibility. To make this happen, I'll be updating my digitals, upgrading my portfolio, and reaching out to agencies. My agents in New York will be helping me, but I will also be doing my own research and doing some networking just so that I can stand out. Goal number 2, build a stronger portfolio. A strong portfolio is the foundation of any great modeling career. And over the next 100 days, I am planning to do at least 4 test shoots to add range and versatility. I'm going to tap into my network of photographers, makeup artists, hairstylists, stylists, and videographers, while also reaching out to some other creatives that I have followed and admired for a while, but I haven't had the pleasure of working with yet. The goal is to create images that show my versatility in everything that I can do. So that means editorial, commercial, beauty, and lifestyle. I'm gonna collaborate on some video content because that is becoming more important for agencies and brands to see your movement and your presence and a little bit of what your personality is like. By the end of these 100 days, I want a portfolio that says that I can do everything. Goal number 3 is to improve my modeling skills. Being a model is not just about looking good, it is also about mastering the craft. Over the next 100 days, I'm going to be focusing on these 3 key areas: posing, my runway walk, and my camera presence. I will be attending a few workshops and some classes so that I can get professional feedback and really refine my skills. At home, I'm going to be practicing my poses in front of a mirror and recording myself and really studying campaigns just so that I can break down how do the best models move and work that camera. The goal is to walk into any casting and make it impossible for them to say no. Goal number 4, expand my network. Networking is everything in this industry. And over the next 100 days, I will be focusing on meeting new people in 3 ways. Number 1 is through social media. So I'm going to be using Instagram, TikTok, maybe, to connect with photographers, stylists, and other creatives. 2, I'm going to attend events. So that means industry mixers, any music events that are happening, fashion events, and places where I can meet people face to face. Number 3 is going to be through my collaborations, saying yes to more test shoots to be able to expand my circle and build stronger relationships with the teams that I work with. You will be surprised how many jobs I've been able to book simply off of doing test shoots with people, and maybe a stylist or someone recommended me for a project they were working on. The more people that I connect with, the more opportunities that I'm able to create for myself. The thing is, none of this is guaranteed. The modeling industry moves very fast, and if you are not leveling up and getting better, you are getting left behind. And that's why every move that I make for these next 100 days matters. So, what is the fastest way to become a supermodel in 2025? It is not luck or connections alone. It is strategy, discipline, and showing up every day. And I'm here to prove it. By the end of this series, I want to be signed in new markets, have a portfolio that turns heads, and be the best version of myself as a model. This is only day one for me, but I am inviting you to follow me along on this journey. So that means the wins and the losses, just everything in between. So, if you've ever wondered what it really takes to make it in the modeling industry, hit the subscribe button and join me for this incredibly wild ride. Let's see what I can do in 100 days. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.